Hello viewers, we'll be going over natural gas. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. We're currently at 1.3% on the 1-hour chart. We have now approached to positive MACD, however we're seeing signs of it diverging. And as for the 4-hour chart, if we expand that further, we are resting right along the 200 moving average, this green line, and since we did close below that level, that will now act as our resistance if we move on higher, and that is around the price of $2.33. As for the MACD, we are still in negative territory, and we saw a convergence earlier today. If we expand that further onto the daily chart, what we have here is we continue to make lower lows and lower highs, so there is downward momentum as indicated in the 9 moving average diverging onto the 18-day moving average, the blue and purple lines respectively. And we also see that with the MACD, and that also started back in September 1st. So there is downward momentum. And if we do continue to move lower, the next possible support will be the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, and that coincides with previous support levels that date back all the way to August 5th. Since we're above resistance, that now acts as our next support, and that is around a price of $2.14. On the other hand, if we do reverse and head up higher, the next resistance will be around $2.41, and that coincides with previous resistance levels as well as the 9-day moving average. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG, and for my position size, it's going to be less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry will be $11.41 for my long position, and that is this range right there. And my sell target will be $12.37, and my stop loss will be $11.14. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be $12.75, and that is this range right there where we encounter past resistance, and also that would coincide with the 9-day moving average, the blue line. My sell target will be $11.70, and my stop loss will be $13.15. So basically my position will be whichever entry enters or hits it first. So how did I develop the trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 43% chance for natural gas to climb between 0 to 5.5%. And to the downside, we have a 36% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 5.5%. And for the extreme case to the downside, a 21% chance to fall between negative 5.5% to negative 11%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.